children, I'm back with a new lesson. So today teacher Sarah is going to try for a new experiment. Do you want to know what it is? It is floating egg experiment. But before I do my lesson, I would like to call my friend Humpty and Dumpty. And let's say hi for them.
Hi, it's me Humpty, and I'm your friend Dumpty. Are you all ready for the experiment?
Yes, I know you are ready for it. So let's see what are the things that we needed for this experiment. Salt water and fresh water. Sink or float. 2 eggs, salt, spoon and 2 transparent glasses filled with water. First, add 4 tablespoons of salt and stir until combined. Here is the fresh water. Now place the egg into the salt water glass and watch. It floats. And take the other egg and place it into the fresh water glass. It sinks. Now you can see the egg with salt water. It floats. And the egg with fresh water, it sinks. Wow, what an interesting experiment. Did you all enjoy it? Yes. Okay, so then let's meet again. Bye.